What's up, guys? Starting off a new vlog. Got Arturo over here. That's how you say it, right?
Yes,
okay,
sir.
just making sure. I know a lot of people's names, I get them all fucked up. But he came out, picked me up. We're about to go to the Booty Hustlers event. Let's get that Booty Hustlers shine. Oh, yeah. Get that. But yes, we're about to go out there to Apple Valley Grange.
I got a mess in my interior, so.
Huh?
I said I got a mess in my interior, so.
Yeah. Don't even worry, man. Look at that thing over there. You over here talking about this thing over here. But yeah, for sure. We about to head out. Hopefully we have a great day, and I can finish editing my other vlog soon, hopefully, from the last event. But yeah, let's do this. So before we meet up with the rest of the homies, we decided to hit 7-Eleven because Grandpa needs a drink. I need a drink of water of some sort. And yeah, I need a drink. Let's see what we got around here. Oh, I've stepped in some weird stuff. I'm gonna have to for sure get some water. Jello on deck.
Yeah, that's for some fall counters. They didn't specify. I'll take up the course.
We got Dallas. We got a Veloster. We got Wolfie and Jeremy right there that I just didn't get to even hit. We got these fools. Look at them.
Oh, that one right there.
We got this random one over here. Alright.
I'm gonna flip a beach.
We're gonna flip a beach. We're flipping dishes over here. I'm just kidding or not.
Sick ass SDK, bro.
You say it out.
You was nigga drinking.
Yeah, I was. Oh, you got one already? Yeah. I'm about to make a blunt on me.
Shit. Bro, you think you got enough tires on here?
No.
No?
No, it's never enough.
Damn, you got some brand new Johnnies.
Don't film me, I've got a hat on. Involvement, bro. I'm not allowed to look like this.
You're not allowed to look. If you tell me not to film you, it's like you're asking to be filmed.
It was a privacy disclosure.
Privacy disclosure. This man is bald as fuck.
That's the first thing I didn't give a fuck.
What's up, man? What's going on today?
Man, I don't know. It's too early for this.
Don't say it's too early. It's never too early. It ain't early enough.
This fool's been waking up at like 5:30 every morning.
6:59. We gotta leave by 7.
It's fixed. It's 6:59 already. Damn.
We gotta be there before.
I'm gonna have to just blur your head out this whole time.
No, cause you put a hat right here.
I can like fake put a hat
like,
there,
you
yeah.
put a hat.
Like,
We can put a sombrero.
yeah.
Dude. Do that. Or do like the what's the old hats when they had to sit in the corner and you put that cone on his head?
The dunce hat.
Dunce.
What a jerk. Dookie style.
I just hope we make it in one piece.
Now, how do you say this correctly? Because I feel like I
already
say
said
it
it.
like 7 times differently.
Suki style.
It's Suki. Suki style. Suki. Oh fuck. And we're off. We're gonna go to the gas station and meet up with someone else. There goes a little Miata. That one looks like a Dodge Viper. Then you got a little duck kick. What's up, my guy? What's up, dog? Long time no see. Yeah. It's like been a week now? Yeah. Poppy?
Catch can.
Catch can died? Damn, catch can died.
Oh no, it didn't die. It didn't die. Just this came out.
Oh.
She was pissing out the PCV. How I'ma check I got oil, Jesse?
I got some oil in my trunk.
Is it 1040?
I don't think so.
I got 10.
But it should be good. No, it's for my
May I get
Genesis.
some? From the bottom.
So where's your dipstick?
It's gone. I chopped it.
Why?
To make the return line for my turbo. Because I have an actual return line, but I had turboed it, then made it NA. So once I went to boost it again, I didn't want to pull the engine to take the pan out to put the fitting in. So I just chopped the fill tube and you run the return line straight from your turbo to where you check your oil at.
Hey, man.
Hacker garage.
This guy, he did it though. It's boosted and it's running and it moves.
Fuel filter, not be like, you know.
Oh yeah. What's good, bro? We here.
We made it.
We made it.
With slight car trouble.
Slight car trouble. Let's run it. Can I film our hands exchanging these?
Oh,
Just our hands.
just okay.
Thank you so much.
Now I feel like a whore.
I think I'm recording. Let me check to see if I'm recording first. Yeah, I am. Okay. All right, so we're at the track. We made it. There's a good amount of us here. We all made it. No one had many issues. We had to pull over one time for Jeremy's little Miata. As you can see, lost a lot of oil, but we made it here. There's a lot of cool cars, and we're about to have an awesome fucking day. So. Me and little clutch dick are gonna run around. You already found someone.
What's up, man? Nice to meet you. Yo, nice to fucking. Oh yeah.
Oh, this is your Z, bro? Yeah, I like this thing, man. Thank you. I was just filming the butt of it earlier.
Running.
What the fuck you doing?
No, some track days people use these as garages.
Oh,
But this one has stuff.
it's a storage unit. Oh, ah! Yeah! Oh! Aye, puppy! I love this little puppers. Hey, I'm gonna pass the camera off to this guy, because I gotta go pee. Over?
Not responsible.
You already did something or what?
No. Okay, watch out, man. Yo,
Where you trying to go, bro?
I gotta unload. I don't.
Nah, alright, well, I might have to just walk around without you.
That's fine.
Or smoke and save some footage from battery life. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Thank you.
Back. You're back. He's back.
Oh,
You're gonna be seeing me a lot now. I don't work weekends anymore.
Yeah, just let me go talk.
What do you guys? We're about to have the. Yeah, I just got you guys fucking around. Yeah, little kids. So we're about to have a driver's meeting.
Yes.
Are you hosting the driver's meeting, sir?
Gary is.
Gary is? He's over here doing some instructioning.
I'm waiting. They're doing it right here so they can know where the fire extinguishers are. Okay.
That makes sense.
I just need y'all help explaining. I'm explaining the rules.
Don't hate me, but can we kill the music?
Hey, Brad, turn down the music. So beginners. I'm serious. Put your hand up. Okay, so it's just a couple of y'all. Intermediate and advanced.
I should have raised it.
So is anyone here not running tandem? All of you are running tandem. Who doesn't want a tandem?
Chasing doors.
Okay, so all of y'all are pretty much on the same rule.
We're doing X's.
If you DB'd your tire, please exit the track. Do not drag your rim around the whole track, or we will have to ban you for the whole day. It's not our rules, it's the track rules. There are fire extinguishers, and on the tracks, as you see, you pretty much all know the rules. Brian here will be towing you guys off the track if you fall off. If you do not have a mounting point to be towed from, he will tow from wherever is possible to tow your car from. We don't want to hear you moan and groan about it. If you go off, you go off. And so pretty much we have to run tech. You've all got your batteries tied down. Make sure your lug nuts are tight. No fluids are leaking. And that's pretty much it. We're going to be running pretty much open group all day. Okay,
So if you go off more than twice, we won't be running any more today. So try to stay on track.
if you feel you're about to mess up, just straighten out and just continue to lap. If you dirt drop a little bit, that's okay. But I'm talking about if you off.
Like 4-wheel dirt drops, if you do 2 of them, you're off for the day. 4 wheels. So if it's 2-wheel, you're fine.
Is that understood? I don't want y'all running on us, but man, it's drifting, take your ass to the skid pad. You sound like you need practice. It's as simple as that. Is there yes?
Hey, so I've been bringing a lot of tires today.
Andy will be here.
Yes, I'm actually here on time. If any of you need help, I know you guys are all pros, but if any of you do need help or something just doesn't make sense, I'm going to be walking around, so just give me your car. I'll give you guys pointers if I can, and then it might help out. So just offer that.
Thank you.
That's really awesome.
You know he's on time today? That's thanks to Channing for being on time today.
Never seen him this early.
Yeah, right? All right, so let's go. We're doing everything. Everybody have fun.
Oh, lunch is at 12.
Yeah, lunch is at 12. We take everything. Not sliding debit, but we take Venmo, Cash App, PayPal. That's about it. Y'all can go kick rocks and stuff.
Jeremy started the day telling everyone he wasn't going to be drifting yet. And he's over out here drifting already. This shit's dope as fuck. Look at this.